Well, friends, subscribers, internet strangers. Let's this is a seems to be kind of funny and popular segment on the channel here. Amazon returns. What the hell to do about Amazon returns? The answer is pretty much nothing. The last one I did, I had a phone that was returned. They didn't return the packaging. They didn't return the battery. They didn't return the SIM card. They didn't return the charger, and it was all messed up. Amazon actually, that's the only one I submitted for a refund, and Amazon refunded it. So that was good news on that one. The rest of them just chalked them up as part of doing business. So I've got 6 boxes over there. We'll see what they are. I have a feeling that a couple of them are items I recalled, which looking at the box, you can't tell if it's a recalled item or if it's a return. So let's have a little bit of fun. Go sit you guys over there. Hopefully the lighting is, this room doesn't have a lot of light in it, so hopefully this is big enough. All right. Yeah, I want to do the green box first. You always need trusty knife, right? You just brimming with anticipation. How many of these boxes? These two are the same box. I bet they've got the same thing in them. I recall some. That is a Luna Girl. It's returned. Doesn't look like anything's wrong with Luna Girl, so that's a victory. Let me do this one next. These are the ones I always worry about because they're packed like they take a beating getting back there. So, that's my label. So I don't know why. What's her name? Magnifica came back, but there's nothing wrong with her, so we'll ship her back. Normally I just throw the boxes around, but since we're at home, we'll see what we got. This is a good lesson here. Just my sticker again, so this one was never sold. This guy, once I sent it in, someone changed the listing to include Frankenstein in the plastic POP protector. Amazon allowed them to change the listing for some reason, and it was brought to my attention by Steve, and so I had already sent these in. So these are a recall. So I know why I went back. That's a recall. And if that's Frankenstein, what do you want to bet this is Frankenstein? No, this is not Frankenstein. This is 2 Frankensteins. I think I have 5 total, so we're gonna try not to make a mess. What do y'all think this is? It's really light. Anybody want to bet whether this is Frankenstein or not? But the one thing I'll tell you is if Amazon changes the listing, it's extremely difficult to get it changed back if they allow a listing to be changed. And so most of the time, instead of dealing with the Seller Central's customer service and complaining and carrying on, I'll just bring the items back. I'll sell them on eBay. I'll do whatever with them. This is a Walgreens exclusive. I've got some of the plastic things. I think I've showed them on the show. This is a good one here. No packing, no nothing. This is the little miniature figures, not Funko, but they broke the head off of her and sent her back. No packing, no nothing. That is return fraud. If it was a $15 item, or I'm not going to bother with it. But you know that's why online sales gets a bad reputation because Amazon allows this. When they got this back, they should have immediately put the money back in my account and debited the customer again, because they didn't follow their own rules. Their rules state that they must return the packaging. This is customer damage. It's not a... It's just disappointing. Unless you want to look that customer up and do bad things. Not really. Just $15. I don't really care. But it sounds so much to be so angry. I'm not angry. It's still, in the grand scheme of things, my return rate on Amazon is like 2.5% or 1.5%. It's lower on Amazon than it is on eBay, even though I sell a lot more items. So it's January's coming. Just wait till the January episodes of what the hell did we get back from Amazon. This one's a good one. I got 2 Frankensteins. So there's the 5 Frankensteins. It is a victory that I got them all back, and none of them are bent, destroyed. That is, I'll call this a victory in exchange for the old peach lady, because generally I have gotten those back in these before. Amazon has sent though a Funkos out to customers, and I've gotten negative feedback on Amazon saying, "Customer, this seller does not know how to treat collectibles. He should be avoided." Oh no, this Amazon doesn't know how to treat collectibles. And this one. So really, out of the 5 boxes, I got one thing destroyed. The rest of it relabeled, redone. This one, I never even opened it. I wonder what he's worth on eBay. Okay, we got Superior Spider-Man. Let Marvel. Because there's so many. Since there's so many different Spider-Mans and so many figures through all the years, it's much easier to go ahead and type out all the information you got. My phone's currently in 4G, so it's we're currently spinning right now. Why am I not in the Wi-Fi? This is my new phone. It's is it possible that we could get Wi-Fi? All right, we got Wi-Fi now. There's none on eBay. Somebody got $20. The last one sold for $34.99, our best offer. So this guy here, we'll stick him on eBay tonight. We'll see what happens. I'll let you know what happens to him. Since this will be over $20, I'll include him on the sold video when he gets sold. But there are currently none on Amazon. So no, I'm sorry, there's none on eBay. Sorry about that. So we'll go stick him on eBay right now. All right, I'm gonna take the camera outside so you get to be a flash for you guys. I'm gonna show you what Frankenstein looks like in a protective case. And what I'm gonna do too is, because these are collector's items, I'm gonna take the heat gun and take the label off of here, and I'm gonna put the label on the protective plastic before I send it back in. All right, so I'm gonna take all this stuff out there. Hey, meet you guys out in the garage. All right. All right, before I go, right there, I ordered a green screen, so I think I'm gonna do more of the shows in here in the office. I'm gonna order another camera to go with this one, so that I can put you some nice roll tides up or something like that. Nice background, so that's gonna be fun. So there's not a clean space in my office. I'm currently working on an Amazon shipment. As you can see, all that and all that over there, all that goes to Amazon. Everything in the boxes goes to Amazon. So it's hard for me to, so we'll sit right down here. So that's the POP. I've put it together, or I just popped it open. So see how it slides down in nice and tight. And I probably should have pre-folded this. But we're gonna, it's gonna put that in there. It's gonna give some nice rigidity, so that I've bought 100 of these. I'm gonna start sending in with this guy here, I'm gonna start sending them in these protective things because they're like 53 cents a piece. And if you lose one, I mean, and these things are $12 a piece. The exclusive at Walgreens are $11.99. Maybe they're $10.99, but by the time you throw tax in there, you're looking at $12. And so for 53 cents, I'll protect the $12 because this one, it was selling at 37 when I sent it in, but I recalled it because I didn't want a customer to see it was supposed to have the plastic thing on it, and it did not. But anyway, I'll send these in. When I sell them, I'll let you know that I sold them on an Amazon sold video. But I just wanted to show you that. I ordered those off eBay or Amazon. They're easy. If you just look up Funko POP plastic protectors, they are very easy to find. And I think moving forward in my business, they're worth the investment in order to make sure that either on eBay or Amazon that because people collect these things and they want the boxes to be pristine, that I won't have any more returns. You can watch some of the college pictures videos. He had a bunch returned that he sold off this past summer, where he sold them on eBay. But I mean, he was barely. I don't think he recovered his cost, but he was just getting some of his money back, and I don't want to get to that issue. So, and I don't want to have to explain to Amazon, if a customer complains about it, because if it's beat up, they could technically call it used, even though it was new but damaged in shipping, and then you're gonna have to defend and go. So I'd much rather, in this case, be proactive to protect my Amazon account and happy customers. So I said again. Dag damn it. I appreciate you guys watching. This was not very exciting for returns. Only Princess Peach with her off-footer head. But roll tide. See you next time.